Hello everyone and welcome to our channel Grow More. Today we will be discussing about special stock named as Steel Authority of India or SAIL. You can search SAIL on Money Control or Trading View. So today we will do technical analysis of SAIL and we will check whether it's a good opportunity to add SAIL to our portfolio on market opening. So let's check. First thing, whenever we do technical analysis, we need to draw some trend lines and we will follow price action strategy in our video. So let's draw a few trend lines here. Okay, so whenever we draw trend lines, there is a rule that it should touch minimum of 3 points. Then only we can say this is a good trend line. Here also we draw second trend line. So as we can see, both our trend lines are touching minimum of 3 points and it's following a triangular pattern. And let's analyze this pattern now. Okay, so here we can see there is a perfect breakout and there is a bullish gap. So this is one of the good factors which help us to choose whether we should add this stock to our portfolio or not. So here we will buy in this stock for short term basis only. So let's check another factor as well. Let's check RSI. So what is RSI? RSI is basically relative strength index, which basically tells how strong this stock is moving in market. So basically it can give a hint about the momentum of the stock. So for any good stock to trade or do swing trading, its RSI should be greater than 60 or around 60. So for SAIL, the RSI is 61.28. That's a very good sign, I will say. So yeah, it's definitely a good trade and we can enter in the SAIL stock. Next we can also see volumes. Volumes are also there in this stock. As you can see, okay. So yes. So when you see last two candles, there's a good volume here. Yeah, correct. So there's a good volume here as you can see. So yeah, this also shows a good sign to buy skills here. Now, as whenever we do trade, risk management is very important. So let's check how much risk we are taking in. So let's draw our stop loss line. So for any such trades, whenever we have to define any particular stop loss, in these type of patterns, basically this second trend line you can see here, this line. So this is our stop loss line. And to be play safe, we will mark our stop loss just below this supporting candle. Yeah, correct. So this will be our stop loss. And for this trade, all the factors like RSI, volumes, and a breakout is there, and a bullish gap is there. So I don't think stop loss will hit, but for whenever we do trade, there is a must to have stop loss in it. So that's why we'll define stop loss. So now for the possible targets, I in this setup, if the market supports, I think around 135 is barely possible, but I don't want to comment now for target purposes. I will update you in the following video, seeing the trend and the momentum how it goes. So don't worry about the target. I will update you whenever we have to exit the stock. But for now, yes, it's a perfect time to enter SAIL now. And on the Monday market, you can definitely enter in SAIL. And let's talk about SAIL. So it's basically Steel Authority India, and it's a government company. So and its fundamentals are also good. So you don't need to like worry about whether the stock is penny or something. It's a good stock. Even if you face little correction now, it will give you pakka good returns in the long term. So there's no need to worry about it. Yes, for trading purposes also it's a good stock. And here we are doing swing trading. So yes, definitely you can ride onto this stock and can make good returns. So thank you for watching, and I would like to listen your feedback or comments on this video, so that how can I improve and what changes should I need to make in my next videos. Feel free to comment and also give a thumbs up, because it costs you nothing, but it will pakka motivate me to make some more videos for this. Thank you so much for watching, and do hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.